What if you start with only $5 investing in crypto? How much could you possibly make in 1 week? This is the exact experiment I have taken on, and I've started a marathon that is lasting a week. So far, we are around day number 4, and I want to show you the results to show you that even with as little as $5, you can start your crypto journey and make money. So welcome back, everybody. This is Manifest World School. My name is Moses Dlamini. Many of you, you've seen me. You have been seeing me here on different videos on our channel. And yes, I'm back again. Today, we are taking on a challenge, a marathon, to start with an account of only $5 and see how far can we take it. Many of you who are in our Telegram channel, you've been following me all along. Every single day, I have been posting videos of our challenge. Well, today, let's see the behind the scenes of every single thing we've been doing. I hope this is going to be a useful video for you. If you like it, of course, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this, and let's get started. Now, when many people start in crypto, they always have this idea that you should have $1 million to start. Well, I'll tell you, if you have $1 million, honestly, it is going to be easier for you to start. But let's be sincere. If you have $1 million, perhaps you should get other people to invest for you. You wouldn't have the time to sit and go and look for investments on your own. Now, many of you here, I know you have a smaller amount of money to start with. By the way, I would like to hear your ideas. Yeah? There is a comment section on YouTube. Right under these comments, let me know. How much capital would you like to start with in crypto? If you're not new to crypto, let me know. How much money would you like to start with? Me, I have taken on the challenge. I have started with almost the smallest amount somebody can start with. Just $5. Okay? Just like many of you there, some people, I remember the first time I met some of my students. Some of them are in Nigeria, others are in South Africa, different parts of Africa. And it's not that they can't get the money to start, but the only money they can use to start is the money they are ready to use just for the start. Because come on, you are not going to go hungry. You're not going to stop paying rent because you are going to start in crypto. Just start with a small amount that you feel you can do away with for some time. For some people, that is $5. For some people, that is 10. Others, it could be 100. Others, it could be 1,000. I have taken on this marathon, this challenge, to show you that even with a small amount, you can start. Where do I do this? Take a guess. Of course, I use the futures market. In the futures market, when we go there to invest, we use it for one single purpose. Futures gives you access to capital. There are two main types of markets on crypto. Mainly, that is in Bybit, okay? These markets are the spot and the futures. And in the spot market, for you to make money, you have to buy a coin, hold it, and wait for it to gain value. But what if it doesn't? What if it does not gain value and the opposite happens and it loses value? This brings you to the futures market. In the futures market, you can make money when the coin is going up and also when it's going down. And this is the exact market where I have started, where I took on the marathon. I'm going to show you which trades I entered, which coins I bought, what system I used so that I can make this much money. And if I tell you the percentage, just take a guess. How much do you think we have so far on the coin? I'm going to show you. So let's start with the technicals. Before I go into the futures market, what do I do? Simple. Most of you know it. But if you don't know, let me quickly take you through it. I start by analyzing Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin is the biggest coin out there. And not just the biggest. Most money in crypto is in Bitcoin. To be precise, almost 60% of all the money in crypto is in Bitcoin and Ethereum actually. But most of it is in Bitcoin, which means if Bitcoin moves, all other coins are going to move. If Bitcoin makes a massive increase to the top, an uptrend, that means most of other coins are going to be in their uptrend. So what do? I start by looking at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Is it going up or down? And this is going to act like my compass. Hey, imagine you are walking from Nigeria to South Africa, but you don't know where South Africa is located. But when you look on your map, you have a compass. The compass is always going to keep you on track to show you that, hey, South Africa is in the south, not in the north. So that if you've been driving, you got lost, you are turning to the north, look back at the map and be like, oh wait, South Africa is in the south, let me go back to the south. So, knowing the direction of Bitcoin is giving me a compass to know, okay, what are most coins going to be doing? If Bitcoin is going up, I go and I look for buying other coins. Somebody is going to say, why don't you just focus on Bitcoin? Come on, Bitcoin is the biggest one. Yeah? If you are going to pick a fight with somebody, why would you pick a fight with the strongest man out there? Get the weakest one. Get the one who looks, by the way, I'm not recommending you this. Please don't fight with people, okay? But anyway, go and find out the weakest one. You have the best chances to win. Yeah, if it's a boxing fight, my dear, don't go and get Muhammad Ali or these boxing champions to match with. Go and find a weak opponent. The same applies with crypto. So after I have determined Bitcoin is going up or down, I go scroll through all other coins and I find who of them is the weakest or the strongest. If it's going down, then I see which of these coins is the weakest, has a chance of going even lower. Simple, right? If Bitcoin is going up, I look through a list of other coins and I see which of them is the strongest and has a better chance of even going higher. And I'm done. Simple strategy, not complicating things. The rest is simple. I open the graph of whatever coin I've chosen, I draw my trend lines, support and resistance levels, and I am in. So I hope you've understood my simple, very simple strategy. Even a new person, if you are new to crypto, you can do it. Go use Bitcoin as your radar, literally as your compass, and see, is it going up or down? And it's going to tell you what to do in the markets. Okay, let me now take you to my phone. I want to show you exactly what coins I bought or sold and made a profit from. And you are in for a surprise to find out how much money we have made in the previous few days. Let me show you here. As you can see, this is my account, okay? This is my account that I took on. This is the one where I am doing the challenge. And I made sure that I only leave money for the challenge here. And watch carefully. As you can see, we don't have much here. Right now we have around $18. But let me take you to where I am doing the challenge. As you can see, this is my Bybit account. Okay, let me just go to assets. And under assets, you can see we have in the funding account, we have $10. But in the unified trading account, so far as we are talking, we have $8.24. Why? Because I sent $5 to the unified trading account, and so far we have 8.24. Not bad, right? Let me take you to the trade section where I placed these trades. Come closer. I did all this in what we call the futures market. Futures is located right under the trade section. You can see button number 3 on the bottom of your Bybit. I come here, I choose futures, and here all I need is the history. You can see here, there is where I can place the trade. And right below here, I can look at the order history. It's right here. You can see where there is a small book right here. I click on it. And look, I have the order history. These are all the trades I placed. Let me show you immediately the P&L. And let's see. So I started the marathon off very wonderfully with a trade in Mix USDT. This was a sell trade. And this one, it gave me a wonderful profit of $1.46. This was a 1 to 1.5, meaning I invest 1, I make 1.5. Okay? Then that same day, we had a trade in Hype USDT. This one, we closed it with $1.33. Okay? Not bad, right? I told you these all trades, I use them. I got them with the same system. What do? I first open the graph. I see what is Bitcoin doing. Is Bitcoin falling or going up? If it is falling, I don't pick a fight with Bitcoin. I go and I look for coins that have a chance to fall even further and faster. And these are the coins I found. Mix USDT on day one and also Hype USDT. I made a wonderful profit of $1.33 in Hype USDT. And we closed the day with around something like $2.7, okay? Let me show you the profits here. Mix USDT, it gave us, let's see, $1.4. And also Hype USDT, it gave us $1.33. That is already how much if we started with $5. I continue. Day number 2, I came back even stronger with a trade in Prompt USDT. As you can see, it was a short one. Short means I sold because Bitcoin was still falling. Good. This one gave us a wonderful, let's see, it gave us a massive $1.15. Already we are at 8 point something dollars, okay? And then I continued. That same day, I got a trade in BCH USDT. Actually, that day we got 2 trades. This one, we hit a stop loss and we only lost $0.2. Not bad, right? Remember, in the life of a crypto investor, a take profit and a stop loss are all part of the system. Always remember that. Many of you make a mistake. You want to start and only say green, 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 green. My dear, you are not Oga God now. You are not God. It's only God who doesn't make mistakes. But even me, I make mistakes. And watch carefully. This one we lost $0.2, but come on, with the right account management, I shouldn't be scared because of my experience, because of my expertise. Okay? Let me see. We went on further and we came back stronger with another $1 in Mix USDT. This one, it gave us $1.06. We also sold this one. And look carefully. Then today morning, we hit another stop loss, taking us back by $1.5. But still, guess how much we are having right now on day number 4. Which shows you one thing, ladies and gentlemen, that experience and also skill tramples it all. Let me take you to my unified trading account and you're going to see how much we have here. Just see. In the unified trading account, we already have $8.24 from $5. What does that mean? What percentage of it are we having? If I take this to $5, it means I have made 100%. It means I'll have $10 on my account. Imagine if you could do that. All you need is a skill, which is what we give you here at Manifest World School. So, this is the marathon. We have just, we are almost coming to the end of it. Today is day number 4. I think I'll be completing it today and we're going to see how much we are going to have by the end of it. But you should have followed me. Yes, most of you have been following me. I have been uploading the whole journey from where we started, the analysis itself in our Telegram channel. If you want to see the analysis, those coins, how I got into them, where I entered and where I exited, and why I exited at that same point, come and see. In our free Telegram channel, I have posted, you can see here, I have been posting circle videos of the analysis themselves and showing you this is the coin we are entering, we are getting out of here. We are entering, we are getting out of here. Okay? By the way, if you've been following us, well done, my dear. If you've not followed us yet in our Telegram channel, look, there is a link which is going to be right below in the description. That link is going to take you straight to our free Telegram channel where you're going to get even free signals and go live with me sometimes and copy my trades. So go and grab your spot in our free Telegram channel. And you can follow me and see how many of these trades have we been taking. Perhaps next time I'll take on a bigger challenge. Maybe start with $10 and see if we can take it to how much? 20, 30? That is going to be an idea from you. I'm giving you a task. Write in the comment section. What other challenge would you like me to take on? $10, $20, or $30, and let's see how much we can take this. So I hope you found this video very useful. I hope it has added on value to you, and I hope you now see that you can start with a very small amount and take it to whatever you want. Remember, what tramples it all is one. First, discipline. Second, experience. And third, ladies and gentlemen, having the skill. Yes, once you have these three things, forget, you can start with even $1 and make it. So I hope you found a lot of value. All you need to do is simple. If you like this video, click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and always come back to Manifest World School for more educative content about crypto and learn how you can also start with as little as $5 or $10.